In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Freshsales account. Before we begin, a quick heads up. You'll need to be an account admin with the right permissions to cancel. If you have any important contacts, deals, or reports you want to keep, make sure to export or back them up first, because deleting your account can permanently remove data and disable connected integrations. Start by signing in to your Freshsales suite and heading to your activities dashboard. This is the familiar home base where you can see what's happening across your sales workspace. From here, we're going to move into the administrative area so we can reach the account level controls. Open the admin settings. Depending on your layout, this may look like a gear icon or an admin link in your navigation. Clicking this takes you from your personal workspace into the settings environment where organization-wide options live. Inside the admin area, choose account settings. You may see account settings listed in the sidebar, and you might also see an account settings tile or link in the main panel. Go ahead and select account settings wherever it appears so you land on the page that controls your organization details, plan, and lifecycle. If you notice the label twice, that's normal. It's just two paths to the same place. On the account settings page, look for the option labeled Request Cancellation. Click that. This is the built-in way to start closing your Freshsales account. After you click it, Freshsales may ask for a short confirmation, a reason for leaving, or details about timing. Follow the on-screen prompts to proceed. If you're on a paid subscription, be aware that cancellation can affect your billing cycle, so review any notes displayed about when access will end and what happens to your data. If you only intend to pause or reduce costs, consider whether a plan change or seat reduction would meet your needs instead of a full cancellation. A few useful tips as you wrap up. Double-check that teammates know the account is being cancelled, since access may stop immediately or at the end of the current term. If your Freshsales is part of a broader Freshworks organization, make sure you're cancelling the correct product and not unintentionally impacting other tools. Keep an eye on your inbox for any confirmation messages and save them for your records. That's it. By going to your activities dashboard, opening admin settings, navigating to account settings, and selecting request cancellation, you can securely delete your Freshsales account. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to back up anything important before you finalize.